Yeah, I think I was 5 or 6 years old when my grandfather took me and my twin brother out to hunt for the first time. We were around 12 years old when we shot our first birds, also with him. So he's the guy that have teach me the right ways to respect and honor the nature that we're so lucky to use. Yeah, I was contacted by Joel on my Instagram account. He said that he had a project that he was working on, and he asked me if I was interested in sharing my footage from my hunts. Do I even film? And yes, I film a lot, but I never film to share. I film for myself to learn from it. I can see much more details when I come home. The adrenaline is done rushing through my body and everything is calm, and I sit down with my computer and look through the whole day and yeah, just learn from it. Yeah, I think it will be funny. See how the other members do, like Travis chasing big deers over the ocean. Nick Ridley is trying to train his dogs and catch some rabbits. So I'm looking forward to see what the other guys is creating through this project. And if I'm lucky, I maybe taught somebody anything about hunting. I love the outdoors and can't imagine a life without. It's not a hobby for me, it's my passion in life. If you ask my girlfriend about it, she have her own thoughts about it. So what I get out of this I will use it as a chance to show the world some of our nature, how my landscape around my house look like. We live by the ocean. You can see ocean as far as you want if you just reach the highest stops there. In the end of this, I hope I will sit there with a feeling about that this was worth it. And I know with guys like Brian and Joel especially, I talk a lot with him about this and how I should do it to make the greatest footage. I know that this will be a series, perfection, and a lot of great footage filmed through the eyes of huntsmen from all over the world. I think that is gonna be a new experience for me. And I have to talk in English, not my daily language as you might hear, but I hope you guys will understand. And if you don't try, give me a chance.